Today, we're gonna be unboxing and putting together this awesome new Engwe P275 Pro e-bike. It's gonna be a breeze, so let's get started. First things first, let's crack open this box. Carefully take out all the protective stuff and set the rear rack aside for later. Then, pull out the bike itself and remove any zip ties or wrapping. Inside the box, you'll find a bunch of cool stuff. The rear rack, front mudguard, seat post, side stand, and a box with the charger, manual, pedals, lights, bell, and all the tools you need to put everything together. Alright, let's start with the handlebars. Grab that 4mm hex key and loosen the stem, then flip it forward. Next, use the same key to remove the stem cap bolts. Carefully put the handlebar in place, making sure not to twist any cables. Then, pop the cap back on and tighten those screws nice and snug. Moving on to the front mudguard. Use the 5mm hex key to loosen the front screw and the 4mm key for the two screws on the bottom of the fork. Now, carefully position the mudguard and tighten the top screw. We'll leave the bottom ones loose for now. Time to attach the side stand. Place it on the inner side of the frame as shown, and tighten the two bolts using the 5mm hex key. Now, let's get that front wheel rolling. Take off the brake protection clamp, put the wheel in with the washers, and tighten the bolts securely with the 15mm wrench. Make sure the wheel spins freely. If not, we need to adjust the front brake caliper. Use the 5mm hex key to loosen the top and bottom screws, and check if the caliper moves smoothly. Squeeze the brake lever, hold it, and then tighten those screws back up. Repeat until the wheel spins freely and makes no noise. Once the wheel is good, use your legs to hold it straight while you tighten all the stem screws with the 4mm hex key. Next up, the seat post. Use the 4mm hex key to completely loosen the clamp, then slide the seat post into the tube and adjust it to your comfortable height. Make sure the lever works properly, then tighten the clamp firmly. Alright, time to put that rear rack back on. Take out the 4 screws with the 4mm key, position the rack, and screw them back in tight. For the mudguard, loosen the screws on both sides of the frame, put the arms in place, and tighten them securely. Remember to check that the wheel still spins freely. Now, let's get these pedals on. The one marked L goes on the left side. Screw it on counterclockwise by hand, then tighten it firmly with the 15mm wrench. Do the same for the pedal marked R, but screw it on clockwise. Almost there. For the rear light, just remove the plastic placeholder from the saddle, insert the light until it clicks, and take off the protective plastic. Check if it works. Lastly, the bell. Use the 3mm hex key to remove the bottom screw, put the rubber ring in place, position the bell, and tighten the screw firmly. Bonus tip, take your time throughout the assembly and double check everything is secure before moving on. Also, check the tire pressure and the brakes before your first ride. And there you have it. Your brand new Engwe P275 Pro e-bike is all assembled and ready to hit the road. Just remember to charge the battery and gear up for an awesome ride.